How to exit safety mode on Kuda app. If you want to turn off the safety mode on your Kuda mobile, then what you need to do is first, you need to know what is the safety mode. The safety mode is a security feature that helps keep your money safe if someone tries to access your account from a new device. It's important because it will turn automatically on to protect your device from a new phone or a tablet login. So what happens in safety mode is you'll need to enter a one-time password sent to your phone after using the PIN or fingerprint to make a payment or order a card like physical or virtual or view your card details. And the main part is, as you can see here, it says that this extra step, which is this safety mode, is only for 72 hours, which is for 3 days. After that, things go back to normal, just your PIN or fingerprint. And if you want to turn off your safety mode, then you need to wait for 72 hours because it will turn off by itself. You need to complete 10 transactions within the safety mode limit in 1 day, and safety mode will automatically turn off when you make the 11th transaction. So there is no button or toggle to turn off your safety mode, but you just need to simply wait for 72 hours, which is for 3 days. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.